Okay, I'm going to grab my iPhone, and it's got a little adapter attached to it with a cord communicating between the iPhone and the adapter, and it's got an infrared transmitter which should talk to my helicopter. Let's give this a try and see what happens. Forgive me if it sounds a little bit like the dentist's office. Let's see what happens. Wow, this is actually working. Cool. Now, how awesome is this? A little more power here. Let's see if I can rescue this flight. And down she goes. Perfect landing. That was all, folks.